Hello everybody, voiceover Rebecca here, and I didn't make an intro on this video, so I'll just do it now. It's about what I saw in the store, and I bought it, and I wanted to make a video on it because my Instagram has been full of videos about this thing, so enjoy the video. Alright, so the freaking name of this is oyster pearl necklace. I can't really pronounce it well. Oyster. 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 That's the only way I can think that it's pronounced. Anyway, you get this little plasticky thingy and you open the freaking shell or whatever the freaking thing is called. And there's like meat and stuff. And this is the charm that you open, and then you can take the pearl and put it inside of that. So yeah. And now I will be taking this and opening it behind the camera because it took me long to realize how do you open it. Also, you get this paper thingy that says that you should be careful, blah blah blah. And this is the pearl that I got. It's orangey, pinky, I don't even know what that color is, but from this freaking thing that you get, it's either health or wealth. But that makes me really confused because on this Google picture it says pink for love, and my pearl looks like exactly that pearl. So it's either wealth or love. Anyway, this is how you open the charm. I didn't show it, I just opened it, sorry. And you put the pearl, whatever, in it, and close it, and then you take the string thingy, like, and pull it inside, through it, something, yeah. And there you go. There you have it, your little pearl charm, whatever kind of thing, necklace. I don't have any kind of special outro, so hope you enjoyed, and bye.